This is Austin Keating with Snips Magazine. With me today is Tom Casey. He's Chief Visionary Officer at Griffin Service. We're going to talk today about a key part of home comfort and energy efficiency that's often overlooked, and that's the attic, specifically attic ductwork. So what kind of issues are you seeing with ductwork in today's homes, and how do you contribute against these problems with the air in a customer's home?
Thanks for having me, Austin, and it's a great question. What I see through the years is a lot more focus on equipment. We're talking about all these fancy inverters and technology and circuit boards, and so more and more the ducts actually get ignored. So probably that's the biggest challenge with ductwork is we ignore it. And I always tell people we are in the air conditioning business, emphasis on air. So we should pay attention to the ductwork and the airflow we have. Properly installed ductwork is probably the number one thing, and that's all about the air. If we have these modern systems connected to old ducts, we don't realize that we're not leveraging all the benefits of the technology, and in some cases we're actually creating problems. So for example, in the South here where we're operating, if you connect an inverter which has a ton of positive things to an old duct system, there turns into condensation issues, turns into mold and microbial issues, because things like the unit doesn't duty cycle as much, so the ducts get colder longer. Another big problem, what you notice, is almost all the energy requirements now from the government dictate that there's ECM motors in the air handling equipment, which is great that it means it moves more air. So on the surface, we all think as tradespeople, the low airflow problem goes away. That's awesome. But more air with the same leaky ductwork also means more leaks in the ductwork. More leaks in the ductwork mean more leaks in the house, and how the attic performs from not being sealed properly, then the ducts have an impact on it. And so just like a snowball rolling downhill. But I guess the bottom line is, are the duct size right? Are they installed right? Are they sealed and insulated? Are they not touching anywhere? It's way more about just connecting the ducts. And I think people need to kind of dig in and pay a little more attention to that.